In this 60-second guide, learn how to connect your SimpliSafe Base Station to Wi-Fi in 2025. Step 1. Plug in and power on the SimpliSafe Base Station and wait for the LED to start pulsing. Step 2. Open the SimpliSafe app on your phone and sign into your account. Step 3. In the app, go to Settings, select your system, then tap the base station settings. Step 4. Choose Wi-Fi setup, select your home network from the list and tap Connect. Step 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully and confirm to begin connection. The base station will attempt to connect. The LED pulses during setup and turns solid blue when connected. If connection fails, the LED may show red. Move the base station closer to your router and try again. If issues persist, reboot your router and wait 30 seconds before reconnecting the base station. Step 6. Verify Wi-Fi status in the SimpliSafe app. The app will show connected and signal strength. Run a quick network check or test the alarm from the app to confirm everything is online. You're done. For best results, use a 2.4 GHz network, keep good signal, and contact support if needed.